Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Hunter fan suddenly refuses to connect to Wi-Fi and the app keeps failing during setup, it can feel frustrating especially when everything worked before or you are trying to finish setup for the first time. Sometimes the Hunter fan appears in the app but never finishes connecting, while other times the fan seems powered on but Wi-Fi pairing simply will not complete. A problem like this can happen because of signal distance, incorrect network settings, temporary pairing glitches, or setup interruptions that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major is wrong with the fan, there are a few simple things worth checking because many Wi Fi connection issues can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a Hunter fan not connecting to Wi Fi. Try these. Step 1. Move the Hunter fan closer to the Wi Fi signal if setup keeps failing. Step 2. Reopen the app connected to the Hunter fan and restart the setup process. Step 3. Restart the Hunter fan briefly if Wi Fi pairing suddenly stops responding. Step 4. Double check the Wi Fi name used with the Hunter fan during setup. Step 5. Put the Hunter fan back into pairing mode if the connection disappears unexpectedly. Step 6. Test the Hunter fan again and confirm Wi Fi connection finishes successfully.